Welcome everyone. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's video is another open house video located here in the Village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home. It is a Gardenia model. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video here in the Village of Glenbrook. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Gardenia model home. It is for sale by Worth Clark Realty. The first thing I notice is the very nice landscaping and the deep setback on the yard. Very mature landscaping. This home seems to be in very good condition. As always, friends, if you have questions about this home, please contact the listing agent, Nancy Reynolds, at Worth Clark Realty. This is a very nice home. It is a split bedroom design. Let's go inside and take a look. Very nice front entry area. A little bit of a seating area here as well. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area. First thing I notice is the beautiful vinyl plank floor that runs pretty much throughout the home. Off to the left, you do see a kitchen with tile floors. Off to the right, you'll see a guest quarters area. You will find 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side of the home. Let's go into the guest quarter area. On the left side, you will see a bedroom with carpeting in it. This bedroom does have acoustic texture on the ceiling. Let's swing around. This is a Gardenia model designer home here in the Villages, Florida. It is a block and stucco home. The list price of this home is $460,000. And the furniture that you do see in this home does go with this home. You see the vinyl plank floor runs into the bathroom. That is a tile surround in that shower area. It has a tile counter on the sink as well. The beautiful thing about this, it's nice and bright in the shower. It has a window in that tub and shower area. Here's a guest bedroom here in the front of the home. It does have carpeted floors. That appears to be a queen-size bed, to give you perspective. I will video the specification sheet so you have an idea of what the room sizes and the room dimensions are. This bedroom does have a closet with bifold doors. Next, I will take a walk into the living and dining room area, and then I will walk to the backyard, to the patio. Here we are looking in the living room and dining room area. You do see a fireplace over there. That is a gas fireplace. For those that are interested to know, it does have a solar tube here in the living room area. That is the dining room area over there. You do see the vinyl plank luxury floor does continue throughout this home. Off to the left, you do see the kitchen area as well. I will go outside and video the lanai. The lanai does face north. It has painted cement floor in the lanai. Those French doors will lead into the master bedroom. I will take a look at that as well in a little while. It has a nice seating area. This lanai is very large. Let's go to the back of the home and take a look. The back of the home is facing north. You do have privacy here because beyond that hill and beyond those bushes is a retention pond. This is very near Glenview Country Club. This home is located very close to Glenview Country Club. This is the back of the home, the backyard. That is the side yard. That is your home right there. Very nice home, very good condition. You do have privacy back here as well. Let's go inside and take a look at the kitchen area. I will video the kitchen area next, and then I'll move off into the master bedroom area. Here we are looking at the kitchen area. It does have Formica countertops. Has a dinette area as well. As I mentioned before, it has tile floors, has oak cabinets. Looks like it has brushed stainless hardware on those cabinets. Has acoustic texture on the ceiling. That is an electric range as well. Has a stainless dishwasher. Has a stainless 2-bowl sink as well. Looks like it has a lot of cabinets. This is a Gardenia model designer home located here in the Villages, Florida. I'm panning off into the living and dining area. Just to give you perspective, if you're standing in the kitchen, very open concept. That is a gas fireplace. Let's take a walk into the master bedroom. You do see the luxury vinyl plank floor continues. Very nice. That does appear to be a queen-size bed. To give you perspective, I will video the specification sheet. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. 3 windows in this bedroom, as well as French doors off to the patio. Make this room really comfortable feeling. Very nice. Very high cathedral ceilings. I will walk into the master bathroom area as well. You can see the luxury vinyl plank floor continues. This is a Gardenia model. You will see a walk-in closet to the left. It does have carpet in it. Very high ceilings, wire shelves in it as well. And there is a closet off to the right with sliding pocket doors. Very nice. Off into the bathroom area, it does have tile floors. It has a separate commode room as well. This is the bathroom. It has oak cabinets. It has 2 sinks. There's your second sink right there. With oak cabinets, tile floor. Very nice home. Has a nice window in it. Very large closet here in the bathroom as well. That is your closet with bifold doors. Very nice. Let's take a walk into that bathroom area. You do see the tile floors, the commode. It does have a window in it as well. That's your shower right there. It is a solid surface with glass doors. Let's take a walk and see what that shower looks like. That shower looks like it is either surrounded with marble or granite or quartz. Please refer to the specification sheet for all the materials and the types of materials that are used in this home. Next, I will walk out to the kitchen and video the specification sheet. And as always, feel free to pause that specification sheet or pause the video so you can read that specification sheet. This is the laundry area that appears to have vinyl floors. Very nice. It does have a sink as well. This door will lead off into the garage. Let's take a look at what the garage looks like. This is a 2-car garage. Very large window in the garage. Again, this is a Gardenia model designer home. It is block and stucco. There are your mechanicals. Let's take a walk off into the kitchen. I will video the specification sheet next. I will also walk out to the street. I'll do a panoramic view of the street. I'll give you the directions of this home. I'll give you one panoramic view of the kitchen area as well. Very bright. Off into the living and dining room area. This is the specification sheet of this home. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Nancy Reynolds. This home is located at 1581 Oak Forest Drive in the Villages, Florida. The list price is $460,000. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Gardenia model designer home located here in the Village of Glenbrook. There are your room dimensions. Living room is 17 by 17. Block and stucco home. Let's walk out into the street, friends. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street, and I'll give you the directions. Very nice front yard, deep setback. This is the northern part of the Villages, the Village of Glenbrook. Very nice home. As always, please contact your listing agent for more questions. Nancy Reynolds. I'll take a panoramic view of the street. This front of the home is facing south. That would be facing east. That is your home right there. That would be facing west. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. I really do appreciate it. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Thank you for watching this open home video of a Gardenia model designer home located here in the Village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home. Take care, everyone.